Look at Mommy.
I say good morning.
Good morning, Daddy. Look, Mommy.
What do you have? Did brother get you a muffin so Mommy can lay in bed? I should probably get up, huh? Yeah, you think so? It's only... What time is it? It's only 8 o'clock. 8:19. Is it a good muffin? You like it? No, you don't like it? Can I have a bite? I can't have a bite? Bye. Where are you going? You're not eating the muffin on the bed. Time kiss. Just give me one little bite. One little bite. Don't make muffin all over it. I'm gonna have to vacuum. Oh, fine. Fine. Bye. I am up and we're gonna start our day. What are you pups doing? Do you need to go outside? You go outside? You go outside? Let's go outside. Say good morning, pups. Come on, let's go. Super foggy out today. Have my coffee, shake. See what these brats are doing. Hey, little dude. You're still eating that muffin? Say good morning.
Good morning.
Open the blinds. So foggy outside.
Guido, what are you doing?
This is going to be our new thing, guys. Record our life and remember everything. Hi, kitty. You found a dandelion in January.
I don't know why it's in here.
That's so funny.
Oh, it's wet.
Yeah, it's wet. It's not going to go anywhere. But that's super cool. I love dandelions. You blow the little fairies off and make a wish, right? And the fairies answer your wishes or whatever they do. You're crazy.
The cash. Hey, Guido.
Ditties.
1, 2, 3,
So, hey,
Hey,
go get him. Don't. He's gonna step in dog poop. Come on, Kane. No, you need to be out there with the dog.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so one second. Come on.
Okay. We'll have to talk later. We have a needy, hungry baby on our hands.
Get up. Come here. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3.
Don't break him.